social members. And today's topic is understanding loneliness and dealing with it. Okay, so before I start, I think there are around 10, 11 people, who are there, who are attending this meeting. So I think loneliness is a problem that I think all of us have faced at some point in our lives. And it's now becoming a major problem. Recently, there was a survey which was done by Agewell Foundation, which is an organization in Delhi, and they said that it was a survey with around 15,000 people, seniors, and the survey showed that 1 out of 2 people are facing loneliness. Okay, and the other thing that they came up with was that 1 out of 5 uh, seniors requires psychological counseling. Okay, so as we know that loneliness is a big issue, and it is something that we need to talk about more openly. But why do you think we need to understand it? We need to deal with it. That is definitely true, and that is something that needs to be discussed, and we need to find ways in order to deal with loneliness. But why do you think, why do we have this topic today? Why is understanding loneliness very important? आप हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में, कोई भी भाषा में आप जवाब दे सकते हैं, मराठी में, जो भी कोई भाषा है। क्यों जरूरी है? इसको अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करेंगे तो भी क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
अगर अकेलेपन को, एकांत को अगर हमने समझा नहीं तो हम डिप्रेशन में जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम आपस में बातचीत किससे करें, ये सबसे
करेक्ट,
बड़ा इश्यू है कि हमें
करेक्ट,
बातचीत करने के लिए, अपने विचारों का आदान प्रदान करने के लिए हमें किसी न किसी की तो जरूरत पड़ती है।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट। तो आपने बहुत सही कहा। तो ये जो है, हिंदी में ही, मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश में बात करती
Can
हूँ।
you say it in English? Can you repeat it in English, please?
Okay, what she said?
Your question. No, your question.
No, my question was, why is it necessary to understand loneliness?
Acha. Okay, fine.
Okay, so dealing with it is one part, but why is it necessary to understand it in the first place? That's what I'm saying. Okay, so we know that this is a major problem. It has another thing that we need to remember and understand is that it has major physical and mental consequences. Okay, so scientists have said that chronic loneliness. Okay, so there is something called transient loneliness, and there is something called chronic loneliness. So ये chronic loneliness goes on for a prolonged period of time. मतलब maybe for more than 3 months, person is feeling lonely, as madam said, cannot talk to anyone at all. So, with chronic loneliness, it is so detrimental to our health that it is like having 15 cigarettes a day. 15 cigarettes a day. It is as harmful as having 15 cigarettes a day. So it has major consequences. Okay, तो इसके लिए इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है। कैसे इसके साथ टैकल करेंगे, डील करेंगे, इसके बारे में भी बातचीत करना बहुत जरूरी है। तो ये सबसे पहला, कार्ल यूंग, एज यू माइट बी नोइंग, वेरी वेरी नोटेड साइकोलॉजिस्ट, उन्होंने कहा है कि लोनलीनेस डज नॉट कम फ्रॉम हैविंग नो पीपल अराउंड, but from being unable to communicate the things that seem important to oneself. Okay, so whatever I feel is important, whatever is going on in my mind, whether I am able to share that with other people is the most important question. Okay, so 3 things which seniors want: close relationships with people which they care about, satisfying social roles, social connections, social network. और तीसरा ये है कि the sense that my life has some value. Okay, मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया है जीवन में. Okay, I have added some value to either my family or to the society in which I am living. So those are the 3 important things which seniors want. Now, it's a complex human issue which is unique to each individual. Okay, so हर एक का perception अलग है, हर एक की understanding अलग है, हर एक की need अलग है, and we need to understand it from that context. Okay, so these are the general, definitions which are there. So it says that loneliness are negative feelings of sadness, emptiness, deprivation, brought on by lack of communication, as madam said, companionship, or relationships with other people. Okay, sadness, emptiness, deprivation brought on by lack of communication, companionship, or relationships with other people. Okay, so it can affect anyone and everyone. It does not see any caste, it does not see any socio-economic class, it does not see rich or poor, it does not see man or woman. Okay, so it can affect anyone. But older adults are more vulnerable to feeling lonely. And that is also one of the reasons why we are talking about it. अभी जब भी हम लोग ये डेफिनेशंस थोड़े मतलब काफी सारे उसमें पॉइंट्स आते हैं, बट हमको क्या रिमेंबर करना है कि एक तो ये इंटरनल इमोशन है विच आई एम फीलिंग फ्रॉम विद इन. ओके, दूसरी चीज ये है दैट इट इज समथिंग विच इज पेनफुल, आई डू नॉट वांट इट इन माय लाइफ. तीसरी चीज है दैट परसेप्शन, each and every person's perception is going to be different regarding loneliness. और चौथी चीज ये है कि being without company or being cut off from others at an emotional level is something that loneliness consists of. I am either without company or I am cut off from others at an emotional level. That is what is the most important thing. So loneliness does not depend on how many friends or relationships I have, which also means कि अगर मेरे Facebook पे और मेरे Instagram पे या फिर मेरे phone पे अगर 1000 contacts हैं तो मैं lonely नहीं हूँ, ऐसा नहीं कह सकते हैं. Okay, so just the number of people that you are interacting with does not mean anything. Okay, does not in any way mean that you are not facing loneliness. अभी ये जो है it is necessary, ये जो symptoms हैं those are very very important. Okay, and these symptoms are very very important क्योंकि I mean I didn't introduce myself, but I have been working with older adults. My name is Amruta. And I have been working with older adults for around now almost 18 years. तो ये जो है, और हम लोग कंपेनियनशिप प्रोवाइड करते हैं फॉर ओल्डर अडल्ट्स. तो बहुत कम बार हम लोगों को देखने को मिलता है कि कोई बुजुर्ग व्यक्ति हमको आके बोलेगा कि आई एम फीलिंग लोनली, प्लीज प्रोवाइड दिस कंपेनियनशिप सर्विस टू मी. इट इज वेरी वेरी अनलाइकली. कोई भी ओपनली आके बोलता नहीं है कि आई एम लोनली. व्हाई डज इट हैपन? आप बोलिए मुझे क्यों? व्हाई डोंट पीपल कम आउट विथ इट? आई एम आस्किंग यू. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट द सिम्टम्स, बट व्हाई डज इट हैपन दैट वे? व्हाई? Yes,
It
yes, madam.
hurts
Yes,
their
madam.
self-esteem.
It hurts their self-esteem. And it is something that I feel that I am lacking in something. है ना? कि I am not able to get along with people. इसके वजह से लगता है कि there is something which is inferior in me. I think Pushpa madam was saying something. कोई बात करना चाहता था. Okay, okay. So it is something that is considered as that there is something I am lesser than other people if I acknowledge that I am feeling lonely. Okay, so generally in our society also people don't come out with the fact that he or she is feeling lonely. Apart from that, there are other symptoms which we can either look at, or symptoms which we can pay attention to. तो ऐसे कौन से symptoms हैं? सबसे पहले है कि ऑलवेज सराउंडेड बाय पीपल. ओके, तो ये एक बड़ा सिम्टम है when I do not want to be alone, when I do not want to be in my own company, I always ask people, आप मेरे साथ चलोगे? आप ये जगह पे, मेरे कोई भी मुझे अपॉइंटमेंट है या फिर कोई भी जगह मुझे समझो शॉपिंग के लिए जाना है, आई विल ऑलवेज ट्राई एंड लुक फॉर पीपल who will give me company. So I am not comfortable with myself and I'm always looking for people who will be with me. So this is one major symptom. So these are like warning signs, and this is like, something that we can also look out for if it is happening with ourselves. दूसरा ये है कि obsessed with acquiring stuff. I want more stuff. I want to just go on shopping. Okay, I want to buy this, I want to buy that. So that this vacuum which is there in myself, which has been created because of loneliness, I am trying to fill that gap. So that's why I'm trying to hoard a lot of stuff. Hoard yani I'm just trying to acquire a lot of stuff. ये एक दूसरा ये है. तीसरा ये है कि exhausted by the effort of reaching out. और जनरली लोनलीनेस ये एक कंपाउंडिंग प्रॉब्लम है. मुझे लगता है कि कोई मुझसे बात नहीं करेगा, देन आई फील दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मेक एन एफर्ट करने के बाद भी क्या होता है, सो देन आई फील टायर्ड if no one is going to respond to me. तो ये exhaust हो जाता है आदमी, even though the person might not have made proper efforts to reach out to people, they just get exhausted by the effort of reaching out to others. Always online and connected. You will see some people who are always online throughout and always connected with other people. Why? Because I do not want to stay with myself. And generally, I mean, I was just reading somewhere कि ये generally actors होते हैं ना, actors and ये who are always being praised by other people. They generally are, they do not want to, once that fame and this dies down, तो उनको वो जो अकेलापन है वो फेस करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, क्योंकि अकेले रहने की आदत ही नहीं होती है. With all these film stars and superstars and people who are always, being praised by others. Okay, तो ये always online and connected भी वैसा ही है आजकल. ये मतलब this what do you call it, this thing is increasing a lot because people are most of the time wanting to be online. And this which is there in the younger generation, fear of missing out, FOMO, which you might have heard. This is an acronym which is there. So because I have the fear of missing out, अरे मेरे friends के साथ क्या हुआ, I might miss out on that. So that's why constantly I am connected. Easily stressed out by minor incidents. कुछ भी हुआ, कोई भी चीज खो गई, something happens, I will snap at that person, or I will feel irritated, or I will feel angry. So that is also because I am not able to share whatever I want with other people, or maybe there is this gap which is there, because of which I am not able to actually express whatever is there in my mind. अब ये चीज है, ये थोड़ा बहुत तो ये आप लोगों को मालूम होगा, बट देर इज अ, इसके पहले की जो अभी पॉइंट्स मैंने कवर किए, बट दिस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देर इज अ पर्पस टू लोनलीनेस, और ये हमको जानना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, दैट अगर मुझे मालूम है कि आई एम फीलिंग लोनली, सो इट सर्व्स एज अ प्रॉम्प्ट, एक मुझे क्लू मिलता है that I need to pay more attention to relationships. And that is why in a way, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कि कोई भी situation को silver lining होती है, there is an advantage. हर एक situation के उसको हम positively भी देख सकते हैं और negatively भी देख सकते हैं. तो ये जो है loneliness can help us to understand that my relationships are not satisfactory. Okay, that I need to have maybe more intimate relationships, and there is something that I need to change in my behavior. in order to see that people are more close to me or I feel more close to other people. Second, as I said, it motivates us to take action. I might go and join a group of people maybe who are like-minded. So it might motivate me to take some action regarding the problem that I am facing. तीसरा ये है कि a socially excluded person वो generally तैयार होते हैं. If I know that I am lonely, I am quickly looking for these like-minded people, and if someone is willing to accept me, I will quickly hang on to that person. Okay, so these are some of the advantages, or there is a purpose to loneliness. Another important advantage I must say is generally क्या होता है कि loneliness में we are self-absorbed. I am always thinking about when it comes, if I am feeling lonely, I am trying to think about my own problems, that people are not paying attention to me. No one is understanding me. Okay, so loneliness also helps us to understand, or it can help us to understand or be mindful of the needs of others also. If we want to have relationships with others, we need to understand their needs also. We need to understand them also. We need to make some effort to understand what they are interested in. So it also helps us in becoming more mindful of the needs of others. Because during loneliness, a person can be self-absorbed, or I might think only about my own problems and the fact that no one is paying attention to me. Okay, इसमें अगर time मिला तो you can also, whatever you think about this, you can also talk about that. The root causes of loneliness: perception that other people have rejected me, they don't care about me. Perceived rejection, it reinforces isolation. Maladaptive social cognition is something that we are going to talk about. The fourth thing is relationships which are disappointing. Okay, I'm not satisfied. Relationships, people are not able to understand, what my interests are, what is going on in my mind, or as we saw in the very first slide, what is important to me. Okay, in old age, vision issues or hearing loss also might contribute to a person being isolated, and hence that can also result in loneliness. Okay, now ये जो है degrees of loneliness. Okay, और यहाँ पे chronic loneliness, there is something called एक transient loneliness, जो loneliness हर एक को someone or maybe everyone has felt lonely at some point in their life. So sometimes we feel lonely, but there are people who are always lonely. तो इसको जनरली क्रॉनिक लोनलीनेस बोला जाता है, और इसमें बहुत सारे फिजिकल मेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं, जिसमें आप यू कैन बी एट रिस्क फॉर कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिजीजेस, बीपी आपका हाई हो सकता है, हार्ट डिजीज है. तो ये सब के लिए फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स जो डिजीजेस है, उसके लिए आप ज्यादा उसको प्रोन हो सकते हो. अभी जो मैं बोल रही थी कि लोनलीनेस के अलग अलग टाइप्स होते हैं, और वो कहीं ना कहीं समझना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि मेरे द लोनलीनेस दैट आई एम फेसिंग, of what kind is it, if I am not able to understand that, in what way am I going to deal with it? So it is very necessary to understand the type of loneliness that I am going through. सबसे पहला है इमोशनल लोनलीनेस. ओके, इमोशनल लोनलीनेस जो हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, दैट लैक ऑफ इंटीमेसी. इंटीमेसी यानी मेरे दिल में जो बात है वो मैं किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं कर पाती हूं at an emotional level. That is emotional loneliness. दूसरा है social loneliness. ओके, मेरे सोशल ज्यादा कॉन्टैक्ट्स ही नहीं है, या फिर मैं फैमिली से थोड़ा बहुत कट ऑफ हूँ. सोशली आई एम आइसोलेटेड, और सोशली लोगों के साथ मेरे ज्यादा कॉन्टैक्ट्स नहीं है, and hence I am feeling lonely. It is not के मेरे दिल की बात मैं नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ, but socially मेरा लोगों के साथ ज्यादा कांटेक्ट नहीं है. तीसरी चीज, collective loneliness. When a person retires, okay, and if that person has been with the company for a long period of time, or maybe I am attached to a religious organization, or maybe I'm attached to any social organization, और वो अगर if I suppose go to some other place, to some other city, then if that connection is not there, then I am going to feel lonely. So collectively also, if you are part of a group or a company or an organization, और वो अगर कट ऑफ हो जाता है, then also loneliness can occur. चौथी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है एग्जिस्टेंशियल लोनलीनेस. यानी क्या कि मेरे लाइफ का पर्पस क्या है? Why am I born into this world? What good have I done for my family? What good have I done for the society? Why is my existence important? So ये जो है, that comes under existential loneliness. And generally scientists and researchers, social researchers say कि मेरा loneliness किस प्रकार का है, ये 4 प्रकार जो है उनमें से क्या क्या मुझे होता है, ये अगर मुझे पता चला तो वो हिसाब से we can take steps to deal with the loneliness. अभी जब हम लोग ओवरकमिंग लोनलीनेस की बात करते हैं तो ये 2 क्वेश्चंस पूछना बहुत जरूरी है कि डू आई नॉट हैव बेसिक सोशल कॉन्टैक्ट, मुझे चाहिए लोगों के साथ मेरे कॉन्टैक्ट्स नहीं है, या फिर डू आई नीड टू फील अंडरस्टूड और लिसन टू और केयर्ड फॉर. बहुत टाइम हम लोग देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे वृद्ध जो है वो अकेले रहते हैं और उनका समझो a lot of times we try and connect those older adults to senior citizens associations जो उनके अगल बगल में है, या फिर groups like yours. So in that case they do not have that social contact at all. And in the other case where we provide companionship, there is this issue where the person is not feeling understood, listened to or cared for. So there was this lady around 92 years of age who had a hearing problem. As I was also telling you, that is also one of the root causes of loneliness. So that lady had around 8 people to take care of her. Around 8 almost servants. एक खाना बनाने आता था, 2 people for taking care of her, 1 for going to shopping, 1 for taking her. She was part of the Radha Swami organization, so someone used to take her there. There was 1 driver. So literally 8 people who were constantly looking after her and constantly around her almost all the time. And she also had 4 family members. But she was not able to connect with any of them. She was not able to talk to any of them. And that is why through our organization, we provided companionship where we sat with her, tried to listen to her life history, उनको क्या अच्छा लगता है, उनको वो राधा स्वामी सेक्ट के बारे में उनको बहुत मालूमात भी थी, and she wanted to share a lot of things about her spiritual experiences, religious experiences. तो वो मतलब because I provided companionship to her, what I did was that I also studied the principles of Radha Swami sect. I did not know anything about it. तो मैंने भी खुद पढ़ा उसको और उनके साथ में अलग अलग चीजों के ऊपर हम लोग बातचीत करते थे. And we kind of used to discuss so much on issues, and she used to share so many things about that organization that at one point she felt that I am also like a member of that organization. So a couple of members had come to her place and she called me and she said that two of our members have come. So I also went and joined, although I was not a member. But what I'm trying to tell you is that had I not studied what she wanted, I would never have been able to form that kind of connection with her. So we knew that although she had a lot of people around her, the problem was that she was not feeling understood. She was not feeling listened to. Okay. So one of the things when we are talking about overcoming loneliness, one of the things is getting to know yourself better and learning to be okay in our own company. So वेन डायर करके भी एक बहुत बड़े राइटर है, तो उन्होंने लिखा है कि you cannot be lonely if you like the person you are with. Okay, if I genuinely like the person myself, then I cannot be lonely. Now, there is something called maladaptive social cognition. Okay, तो ये जनरली बहुत सारे इंटरवेंशंस हुए हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड के लोनलीनेस को कैसे डील किया जाए. एंड यू माइट बी सरप्राइज टू नो कि जापान में एंड यूके में देयर इज अ मिनिस्टर फॉर लोनलीनेस. द प्रॉब्लम हैज ग्रोन सो बिग कि वहां पे मिनिस्टर है लोनलीनेस के लिए. तो वहां पे बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स भी हुए हैं. तो उसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि इट इज नॉट जस्ट, अगर समझो लोनली आदमी के सामने अगर आपने 50 लोग भी रखे तो दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. इफ द पर्सन हैज नेगेटिव थॉट्स अबाउट देयर ओन सेल्फ वर्थ. Okay, so if I am going to perceive myself as inferior, if I have low self-esteem, if I am going to perceive myself as inferior, incompetent, if I believe that it is because I am inferior to the other person, I cannot make friends. अगर यही मेरे मन में धारणा है, so how will I be able to connect with people? Any effort that you make, if I feel that I cannot make friends because I don't have any value, because I am inferior to other people, I am not competent, people will not like me. तो ये जो मेरे feelings हैं, unless and until these are dealt with or taken care of, आप 50 लोग भी मुझे मेरे सामने लाइए, कोई फायदा नहीं है. So it is these feelings of lack of self-worth. So how I perceive myself. दूसरी चीज ये है कि sometimes मुझे लगता है कि I cannot make friends at all. वो मेरे मन में पक्की धारणा है. दूसरी चीज ये है how I perceive others. यानी क्या, if I am going to perceive others के लोग, I cannot trust people. Okay, other people are not good. Other people are not supportive. Other people are not friendly. If I am going to have all these ideas in my mind, how can I form connections with people? So ये जो है, that is what they call as maladaptive cognition in relation to other people. कॉग्निशन यानी मेरे फॉल्टी थिंकिंग पैटर्न्स के वजह से ये लोनलीनेस का प्रॉब्लम और ज्यादा बढ़ता है. तो हम लोग जो, आप मैडम पुष्पा मैडम आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना कि ये मतलब नॉट ट्राइंग टू फाइंड पीपल, not being able to find that person. Even if I am able to find that person, I won't be able to connect with that person because I feel that I cannot make friends. Okay, so if that idea is persistent, वो idea मेरे दिमाग में अगर strongly बैठी हुई है, तो आप कुछ भी करो ये नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, so a lot of interventions have said कि ये जो हमारे faulty thinking patterns हैं, इनसे अगर पहले हमको डील करना होगा और फिर बाद में हम लोगों को लोगों के साथ कैसे हम लोग सोशल कनेक्शंस बना सकते हैं, इसके बारे में हम लोगों को कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, सो ये
मैडम
काउंसलिंग. हाँ हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए.
हेलो,
बोलिए.
एक
हाँ हाँ, या
एक क्वेश्चन आया मेरे दिमाग में कि
जी जी
जैसे आपने
बोलिए.
बताया इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, उसके उसके उलट भी हो सकता है क्या? उसके उलट यानी कोई ऐसा भी सोच सकता है कि मेरे लेवल का कोई है ही नहीं जिससे मैं बात करूं। मैं जितना
एकदम
सोचता हूँ वो सामने वाला जो है वो मेरे लेवल का जवाब नहीं देगा या मेरी बात को
right.
नहीं समझेगा, क्योंकि मेरा लेवल बहुत हाई है। तो ऐसा भी
Very,
हो
very
सकता है
good
उसका।
point. Very good point, madam. I had not thought of that, but it's a very good point. It can be on the other extreme also.
हाँ,
Correct. And very
हाँ,
good point. And I am thankful to you for that. तो ये जो है दोनों एक्सट्रीम का अगर होगा तो आदमी सामने वाले को देखेगा ही नहीं। तो वो that is a major problem which is there. So unless and until these, और ये आप काउंसलिंग के थ्रू, साइकोथेरेपी के थ्रू, बहुत सारे ऐसे थेरेपीज हैं जिससे आप ये प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ डील कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो ये एंड ये कोविड के वजह से एक फायदा ये हुआ है कि बहुत सारे वृद्ध लोग काउंसलिंग के लिए तैयार हो गए हैं, ऐसा देखा गया है। ओके, सो मुझे भी काउंसलिंग, और ये जो है पहले जितना ये टैबू माना जाता था, आजकल के जमाने में थोड़ा बहुत ये मतलब टैबू कम हो गया है और लोग इतना उसको शर्मनाक नहीं मानते हैं। तो ऐसा है ना कि जैसे मुझे समझो कोई फिजिकल बीमारी आती है, जैसे मुझे बुखार आता है, उसी प्रकार से अगर मुझे कोई साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम होगा तो उसके लिए भी मुझे मदद लेनी चाहिए। इफ आई वांट टू बी मेंटली कॉग्निटिवली फिट, और अगर मुझे इफ आई वांट टू एंजॉय थिंग्स इन लाइफ, और even if I want to enjoy my old age, okay, so if I am having a problem, then I need to be able to approach कि ये प्रॉब्लम मुझे है, और समझो मुझे किसी से मदद अगर मांगनी पड़ी तो उसमें कोई कम भावना नहीं। Okay, so maladaptive social cognition, so these things, my lack of self-worth, or maybe the idea of superiority that I might have, as madam said, वो भी मुझे पहले उसके साथ अगर मैं डील नहीं करूंगी तो लोगों के साथ कनेक्शंस बांधना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा। अनदर थिंग इज वॉलंटियरिंग, और हम लोग देखते हैं बहुत सारे वृद्ध ये करते हैं। और ये वॉलंटियरिंग क्यों ये होता है, व्हाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड व्हाई इज इट हेल्पफुल? देर इज अ नीड टू बी नीडेड, देर इज अ नीड टू बी नीडेड। आई वॉन्ट टू बी नीडेड बाय अदर पीपल। ओके, अगर कोई आप संस्था में जाके बच्चों को सिखाते हैं तो वो बच्चे, अगर आप वहां पे 3-4 महीने जाएंगे तो, और अगर बच्चों को आपका सिखाना अच्छा लगा या वॉट एवर एक्टिविटी यू आर डूइंग विद देम, इफ दे लाइक इट, they will look forward to seeing you. And if someone is giving me that value, if someone is giving me that importance, then I am looking for that.
The meeting is gonna end in less than 5 minutes. So
Okay, so volunteering is one. This another thing is gratitude. Okay, so gratitude that there is something good which is happening in my life. Okay, और ये बहुत सारा gratitude के ऊपर भी there is a lot of research which has been done. तो उसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि gratitude जब भी हम लोग बोलते हैं तभी एक भी चीज हम लोगों को मतलब ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेगी कि जब भी हम लोग ये देखने की कोशिश करते हैं कि दूसरे लोगों ने मुझे हेल्प किया है, अदर पीपल हैव बीन सपोर्टिव ऑफ मी, व्हेन आई थिंक अबाउट दैट, देन ये सिर्फ जो समझो आपने जो भी कुछ हासिल किया है लाइफ में, ये सिर्फ मेरे अकेले के वजह से नहीं हुआ है, ये दूसरे लोगों ने मुझे हेल्प की है। इट इज नॉट मी 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 अलोन, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ। Okay, so where has this goodness come from? It has not only come from me, but because other people have been good to me. Okay, so that is also very important. And I think I'm going to ask Saleh that, we can have a special this on gratitude because बहुत सारा इसके ऊपर research हुआ है. Okay, so gratitude journal बहुत सारे लोग बनाते हैं. दूसरा ये है कि लोगों के साथ बात करना, 2 कान मुझे दिए हैं, 1 मुंह दिया है, लोगों के भी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं ये जब भी सुनेंगे तो कभी कभी ये भी मालूम होता है कि हमारा जो प्रॉब्लम है वो हिसाब से उनके हिसाब से थोड़ा सा कम है। ओके तो लोगों को भी वृद्धत्व में बहुत बार क्या होता है, हमारा ही प्रॉब्लम, हम लोग उसके बारे में कॉन्स्टेंटली बात करते रहते हैं, दूसरों का सुनना वो हिसाब से कम हो जाता है, जो नहीं होना चाहिए। लोगों के भी क्या चैलेंजेस हैं, लोगों को भी क्या दिक्कतें आती हैं, ये भी पूछना बहुत जरूरी है। ओके तो ये जो है ओवरकमिंग लोनलीनेस में ये थोड़े बहुत टिप्स हैं कि हम लोग जो खुद एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं, वो बकेट लिस्ट आप बना सकते हैं। देयर वाज अ मूवी आल्सो व्हिच हैड कम, तो लाइक यू नो आई हैव सर्टेन थिंग्स व्हिच आई वांट टू डू ऑन माय ओन। आई वांट टू लर्न द तबला, आई वांट टू लर्न ड्राइविंग अ कार। Okay, so these are things which I can do by myself, but I will definitely require help from others for that. Okay, so stop focusing on me alone. और एक वृद्धत्व में इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो होती है, वो कोई भी चीज की क्यूरोसिटी नहीं होती, सिर्फ मेरे ही प्रॉब्लम के बारे में सोचना। अरे कितनी सारी चीजें हैं जो हम लोगों को मालूम नहीं है। ओके सो 7 वंडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड अगर मैं पूछूं, सभी लोगों को मालूम है ऑल द 7 वंडर्स? ऑल्दो वी टॉक अबाउट द 7 वंडर्स, डू वी नो ऑल द 7 वंडर्स? व्हाई डू वी नॉट नो? इफ अ चाइल्ड आस्क्स अस, हम बोल सकते हैं क्या उनको? तो ये जो है कोई क्यूरोसिटी ही नहीं है। और जब भी हम लोगों को कोई चीज की क्यूरोसिटी होगी, तो देन हमारे ऊपर जो हमारा कॉन्स्टेंटली फोकस है, वो थोड़ा बहुत कम होगा। Another, this is spend money on experiences rather than, matlab things, experiences. Like maybe you are going for a film or maybe you are going for a holiday. So that will be, ये क्यों important है? क्योंकि you will gain memories because of spending money on experiences.
The meeting's
कोई-
gonna end in less than 1 minute.
Okay, so thank you very much, and learn to be okay in our own company. That is also very, very important. And for that, I also need to know my own strengths.
Thank you, Amrita. Very nice
Yeah.
talk.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Amrita.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks a lot.
Amrita.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot. Thank
Come
you.
another
Very
day.
nice talking.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very informative.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.